Hi, and welcome to Zoho Analytics Business App Integrations. Zoho Analytics has a wide range of connectors, and in this video, we'll explore the Zoho People connector to see how it transforms your HR data into meaningful insights. With this connector, you can track your employee attendance, leave and time off trends, workforce performance, and much more. Let's dive in. To set up Zoho People Advanced Analytics connector, log in to Zoho Analytics, click Import, navigate to the HR tab, and select Zoho People from the list. Give your workspace a unique name. Next, select the modules and fields you want to import and decide how often you'd like your data to sync, either daily or at configured sync intervals. Zoho Analytics will securely import your data. After the data is imported, Zoho Analytics automatically generates reports and dashboards, giving you instant access to valuable insights. You can also build your own data visualizations. For example, create a chart by dragging and dropping the right fields to the data shelf, apply filters, and generate reports. For a deeper summary, create a pivot table by dragging and dropping the relevant fields to the data shelf. Click Generate and your pivot table is ready. In seconds, you'll have a clear, interactive view of your workforce performance. Get a complete visual overview of your data with interactive dashboards. Drag and drop your reports. Add KPI widgets. And apply filters. You can also customize your dashboards by changing themes and report colors to match your preference. With Zia Insights, your data is continuously analyzed to surface important trends and workforce highlights automatically. And you can also share insights with your teams. With data blending, you can import data from different sources into a single workspace to create unified reports and dashboards. For example, you can combine it with Zoho Payroll data to build unified reports. You can explore your data using Ask Zia, the AI assistant. Ask your question in plain language, and Zia responds with insights, along with a relevant chart or report. Thank you for watching. Want to explore more integrations? Visit zoho.com/analytics.